Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking a chapter 8, decimal. You know that decimal very well. So how you will be converted a fraction in decimal or from decimal to fraction. So first of all, exercise 8.1, that is first question, write the following as number in the given table. So you can see in your book, that is A part, you are looking tens, 3 boxes are tenth. So in the tens column you will be write 3, in ones column that you will be write 1, only one box is there, and for tenth column you will be write 2 because there is given 2 diagram. For B part, in the column of 100 you will be write 1 because one diagram is given. In 10th table you will be write 1 because 1 is also there, and ones table is not given, so you will be write here 0. And then in the 10th table you are looking here 4 diagram for 10th, so you will be write here 4, right? And then second question, write the following decimal in the place value chart. So place value chart is, in the previous question you are looking that is a place value chart. Second question solution, this is the place value chart. That's what the greatest digit, that 100. So you will be right here 100, you can see the table, tens, and then ones, then tenths, you can see the question, yes, tenth is needed, so that will be closed here, right? That first part, A part, that is 19.4. So 1 is a tens, 9 is a ones, and then 4 is a tenth place. So that will be 0. B part 0.3. 0.3 means tenth, that is 3, others are 0. And then C part 10.6. C part 10.6, that is 106. And then D part 205.9. So 205, that will be 9. So like this you will be do place value chart table. Third question, write each of the following as decimal. Third question, first part is that 7 tenth. So 7 point 7 tenth means 0.7. B part, so that's the A. B question is 210 and 9 tenth. So 210 means 20, and then 9 tenth means decimal 9. C part, that is 14.6. So that will be 14.6, that is 6. D part, that 100 and 2 ones. 100 and 2 ones. So that will be 100 and 2 ones, it means 2. E part, solution 600.8, 600.8, that will be. Question number 4. Write each of the following as decimal. 4. First A part 5 upon 10. That write in decimal. So first of all you will be divide that 5 from 10 like this. 5 2 ja sorry that 5 divided by 10. So decimal 0. So 10 5 ja 50. So that will become 0.5. Next part, B part, 3 plus 7 upon 10. So first of all 3 plus you will be divide 7 by 10. So that will become 0.7. So that will be 3.7. C part is 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10. That will be, these things you will be add similarly 265 plus this will be 0.1. So that will be 265.1. D part, E part, you can do. See the F part. F part, that is 4 whole 2 upon 10. 4 whole 2 upon 10. That will be 4 decimal and then you will be divide 2 by 10. Decimal 0, 2 ja 20. So decimal 2. And then G part, H part, I part, you can do. See the J part. J part, 3 whole 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 decimal. This one has come similarly. And then after when we will divide 3 by 5, then that will become 6. J K part, 4 whole 1 upon 2. So 4 will become same, then decimal. When you will be divide 1 by 2, then that will become 2 5 ja 10 decimal 5. Next, write the following decimal as fraction. Reduce the fraction to lowest form. Fifth question, A part 0.6 is equal to, we can write 6 upon this decimal, you will be write 1 and then after 1 digit is there and then this one. This will be cancelled also by 2, 2 3 ja, 2 5 ja. So final answer is 3 upon 5. B part 2.5 is equal to, you can write 25 and for the decimal you will be write 1 and after that 1 digit, so 1. So 5 5 ja, 5 2 ja. So that will be 5 upon 2. B. And then C part 1.0 is equal to, you will be write similarly and then for decimal you will write 1 and then 10 1 ja 10. And then see that F part, other part you will do at home. So 2 1 2 and then for decimal 1 and 0 by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 0, 2 6 ja, that is 106.5. Now question number 6. Express the following as centimeter using decimal. Express the following as centimeter using decimal. So how you will be write that thing? 6th question. A 2 mm. Mm means millimeter. Now we are writing in centimeter. So that will be 2 upon 10 meter. So why this has come 10? Because 1 meter is equal to 10 centimeter. Sorry, 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Okay? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but we are writing here in centimeter, not in meter. Sorry. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So when you will write that thing, that will become 0.2 centimeter. B part, 30 mm. 30 mm is equal to 30 upon 10 cm. 0 cancel by 0, so that is 3 cm. 116 mm is equal to 116 mm upon 10 is equal to cm is equal to 10 is deduct, so that decimal will come here. So 11.6 cm. D part, 4 centimeter 2 mm. 4 centimeter 2 mm is equal to 4 plus 2 upon 10 cm. That 4 cm is already given in cm, so no need to change this one. So similar has come. So 4 plus that will become 0.2 cm. So 4.2 cm. F part you can do similarly. E part also. Now 7th question. Between which two whole number on the number line are the given number lie? Which of these whole number is nearer the number? That you are looking the diagram in there. A part. A 7th question. A part 0.8. Where between lies this 8? Which of these whole number is nearer the number? This one. And one more question is between which two whole number? So that 0, 0 and 1. That is between these two whole number, this number is coming. You can see the diagram also, and near the 1, so you can write only 1. And then B part, or you can write the nearer number. Nearer number is equal to 1. B part 5.1. 5.1, that will be 5 and 6. Nearer the number. Nearer number is equal to 5, because that is near the 5. 2.6. 2.6, that will be 2 and 3, and their nearer number is equal to 3. D part, that 6.4, that 6 and 7, nearer number is equal to 6. E part 9.1, solution 9 and 10, that nearer number is equal to 9. F part 4.9, solution 4 and 5, that nearer number is equal to that 5. Question number 8. Show the following number on the number line. Show the following on the number line. So 8th question. Whole part you will be do on same number line. Solution. First of all, you will be draw a number line, and then you will be write numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, that 3, and then we will write 9 line in between that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the main line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also main line, and this also main line, and this is also main line. And then A part is decimal 2. So that will be decimal 2. 0 decimal 2 or decimal 2, same thing. You can see the 0 decimal 2 also, 0 decimal 2. And B part is 1 decimal 9. So 1 is completely has come 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 1 decimal 9. And then 1.1. That 1 is completely has come and 1. That is 1.1. And then 2.5. 2 has completely come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 0.5. 2.5. It means whole the part has included in one line, only one number line. Write the decimal number represented by the A, B, C, D on a given number line. So that is a 9th question. Solution. A is equal to that decimal 8. You can count at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 0 decimal 8. B is equal to, that will be count, 1 is complete here, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is also, so decimal 3. And then C is equal to, C is 2 completely not, yes, 2 is completed given, so 2 will become, and then decimal 2 also, 2 decimal 2. D part, that will be 2 is completed and decimal 9 also there, so 2 decimal 9. And then 10th question, the length of Ramesh notebook is 9 cm 50 millimeter. What will be its length in centimeter? So 10th A part solution. So that is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter, 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. So that will be right in centimeter. So 9 plus 5 upon 10 centimeter. So that will be 9.5 centimeter. When you will be divide this one, or you can write also like this, 9 plus 0 decimal 5. When you will be divide 5 by 10, then that will become, and then 9.5 centimeter. And then B part, the length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. Express its length in centimeter. So 65 millimeter is equal to 65 upon 10 centimeter. So is equal to, that will be 6.5 centimeter. After the divide, that 65 by 10. Okay.